Emma Maxwell and I'm Ash and Elm Horticulture. We're in mid Wales, just outside Llanidloes. We're a market garden and we sell veg, flowers, fruit, nuts and mushrooms. I was attracted to growing fresh produce primarily to feed my growing family, and then from that I just got the passion for growing more and more and selling the excess that we weren't eating. And alongside the food I was growing flowers for diversity and for pollinators as part of the integrated pest management. And as the years have gone on, the flower business has grown at the same rate as the veg business, and so we're doing as many cut flowers now as we're selling food products. The Farming Connect days are a great opportunity to all horticulturalists. We're very lucky here in Wales with the funding that we get nowadays for learning opportunities in horticulture, because I gain so much from visiting other farms and seeing what other people are doing and how they're managing. And more recently it's gaining the knowledge on marketing and social media, which is new knowledge to me. I've got a background in horticulture, so I enjoy the horticultural training. The marketing and business support has been fantastic. Over the last 12 years I've invested lots into building our business ourselves, investing in infrastructure, polytunnels, sheds, tree planting, and we're now at a point where we have been employing staff for the last few years, and by having a bigger team has enabled us to grow even further. We couldn't do without our team of seasonal staff and permanent workers. The next venture is for us to split the veg business from the flower business. It will still be one business, but we're just splitting the name because we're called Ash and Elm Horticulture. My husband is David Ashley and my initials spell Elm. That's how we came about the name. But it doesn't sell veg and it doesn't sell flowers. So we've come up with a new name, the Welsh Flower Barrow, and we're developing a new website for that, for online sales, so that we can post our flowers out wherever and grow that side of the business. As a horticultural tutor, I'm expected to do continuous professional development all the time. But as a tutor, that's about being a better teacher and understanding how to teach. But as a horticulturalist, for me, it's always been really important to be totally up to date with the latest thinking in horticulture, being aware of climate unpredictability and how to mitigate the diversity in weather we're getting, and about regenerative horticulture and locking in carbon. So I think it's really important to stay up to date with CPD in all fields of horticulture, to see best practice and see what other people are doing. I would absolutely encourage other people to tap into the Farming Connect services. We're very lucky to have that support for business growth, for marketing, for horticultural knowledge. The cluster groups are great for networking and getting advice from other people working in the same area, and I would absolutely recommend other people tap into this resource.